This is the summary for lesson 12. To figure out whether or not a figure is congruent to another figure, you have to look at the area, see if they have the same area, see if they have the same lengths, the same perimeter, the angles are equal or congruent. In the sequence, you can have a sequence of transformations that can take one image to the other where the images then match. In this case, these two images are not congruent. First of all, the area is different. This is 4 square units. This is 5 square units. But in this case, we're looking at the lengths. If you start here and you number the lengths going around in a clockwise manner, it's 1, 2, 1 unit, 2, and 3 units to end up back here. This one is 3 units, 1, 2, 2, and 1. So notice that they have different lengths. This has one length that's 3 units. This has two lengths that's 3 units. So these two images cannot be congruent. These two images also are not congruent. If you number the lengths going around again in a clockwise manner, this is 5, 3, 5, 3. And this one is 3, 5, 5, 3. And although the lengths, the perimeter is actually the same, the lengths are the same, but you cannot put them in an order that match. You can't move these around and get them to match in any way. So this image is not congruent to this image. And these two images are not congruent. They have the same length, same sides, same order actually, but different angles. So this is 5, 3, 5, 3. And this is 5, 3, 5, 3. So, but they are not congruent. It's as if you took this length and just slid it over a little bit this way, and so made the angles different. So this is now a parallelogram. This is a special parallelogram called a rectangle, but this is just a parallelogram. So a parallelogram has two opposite parallel sides, one set of opposite parallel sides, and the second set of opposite parallel sides. Same with the rectangle, but the rectangle is 90 degrees, and this parallelogram has angles that are less than 90 degrees and greater than 90 degrees. So they are not congruent. So congruence, look for the same area, the same length, perimeter, same angles, and see if you can take through a sequence of transformations, either a translation, a rotation, a reflection, or a combination of those, and move one image to the other to prove that they are congruent. Lesson 12.